viewers, this is ERi-TV bringing you the latest news from around the world. And these are the ones making the top stories for today. World Autism Awareness Day observed in the Ansaba region. Vocational training provided to college students. Germany deploys troops into Lithuania. And a 6.0 magnitude quake strikes southwestern Japan. On your local reports, World Autism Awareness Day was observed on 2 April in the Ansaba region. The objective of the observance was to enhance public understanding of the challenges faced by individuals with autism and thereby help them become beneficiaries of the opportunities available. Speaking at the event, Ms. Gannat Habte, chairperson of the National Association of Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities in the region, stated that autism is a complex disability that is difficult to identify and monitor. She emphasized the need for a basic understanding and specialized skills for its treatment and called for practical measures to ensure the rights and development of individuals with autism. Colonel Tasfat Ngirmay, Director General of Social Services in the Ansaba region, also called on the public and stakeholders to undertake integrated efforts to ensure that individuals with disabilities have equal access to education and social services. Ambassador Abdullah Musa, governor of the region, remarked that the responsibility of caring for citizens with disabilities should not be left solely to the National Association of Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities or to parents. He urged every citizen to play their part. Similarly, the Central Region branch of the National Association of Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities held a meeting with parents to discuss practical measures that could be taken to improve the livelihoods of children with disabilities. World Autism Awareness Day is being observed for the 14th time at the international level and for the 6th time at the national level. The Sawa and Higher Education Institution branch of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students provided 3 months of vocational training to 123 students from Mainafhi College of Engineering and Technology. Mr. Philemon Melake, head of the union branch at the college, reported that 52 students received training in graphics, while 49 students were trained in solar system installation. Dr. Habta Abtsege, head of the mining department at the college, noted that knowledge gained at an early age has a significant impact later in life. He urged the trainees to apply the skills that they have acquired through the training in practical ways. Mr. Sultanet Takhlom, head of the administration and finance at the Sawa and Higher Education Institution branch of the union, stated that one of the main objectives of the union is to develop the vocational capacity of the youth. He encouraged the trainees to positively influence their communities. According to document, 947 students from the College of Engineering and Technology have already received vocational training. In another local news, Students' Cultural and Sports Week was organized in the Logo Ansaba subzone from 27 to 30 March. The event involved 550 students and 100 teachers from 20 schools and included sports competitions, general knowledge contests, educational presentations and innovation displays. Mr. Tsahaye Berhane, head of the education office in the subzone, said that the week will contribute significantly by enabling students to showcase their theoretical and practical knowledge and to exchange experiences with their peers. He also called on school communities and the public to enhance their support and participation to ensure the continuity of the program. Mr. Berhane Tsagay, secretary of the PFDJ in the subzone, emphasized that the program offered an excellent platform for students to discover and nurture their talents and called for its continuation. Mr. Salamun Takhla Haymanot, head of the education office in the subzone, highlighted that the educational week plays a vital role in boosting students' academic, cultural and sports performance. He encouraged greater public involvement to sustain the program. He added that beyond the talent identification, the event fosters unity among students and facilitates the exchange of experiences. Dear viewers, we will look at the international reports for today after the short break. Welcome back to the program. The German military has begun its first permanent deployment of troops on foreign soil since World War II. The 45th Armored Brigade is being positioned in Lithuania near Belarus as Berlin prepares for a potential conflict in the coming years. Two of its battalions will consist exclusively of German soldiers, while the third will incorporate personnel from other NATO countries. Portions of the brigade will be stationed in southeastern Lithuania, only 20 kilometers from the Belarusian border, while additional units will be stationed near the village of Rukla between Vilnius and Kaunas. Military personnel who arrived in Lithuania last year to prepare for the deployment have been formally integrated into the brigade. According to German army plans, once fully staffed and combat ready by 2027, the unit will have approximately 5,000 military and civilian personnel equipped with around 2,000 heavy weapons. On the other hand, Moscow views NATO as a hostile entity, describing its expansion in Europe as a direct threat to Russian national security. The bloc's increasing involvement with Ukraine have been cited by Russian officials as key causes of Moscow's conflict with Kyiv. On today's final report, according to Japan's weather agency, an earthquake with a magnitude of 6.0 struck off the eastern coast of Japan's Osumi Peninsula yesterday. As per reports, the quake occurred at around 11:04 p.m. local time at a depth of 40 kilometers, measuring 4 on the Japanese seismic intensity scale of 7 in the southern part of Miyazaki Prefecture. The epicenter was located at a latitude of 31 degrees north and a longitude of 131.5 degrees east. There was no tsunami warning issued as a result of this quake. Osumi Peninsula is on the southwestern main island of Kyushu. A quick reminder of the top stories. World Autism Awareness Day observed in the Ansava region. Vocational training provided to college students. Germany deploys troops into Lithuania. And a 6.0 magnitude quake strikes southwestern Japan. Well, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.